So let's start with chemistry, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you like chemistry?
Yeah.
Is it tough for neutral for you? It's moderate for you.
Neutral.
It's neutral for you. Basically, chemistry is very easy. We have to understand the basics. If we understand the basics, numerical become easy, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's take the demo of electrochemistry.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Do you have not to write down?
Yeah, I have copy to write down.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So have you ever wondered what like a mobile battery or cell? How did get energy? Do you know about it? How battery get energy?
Uh, Chemical reactions.
Yes. So how does chemical energy change into electrical energy? Have you ever wondered about that? How chemical
Uh,
energy is
with the help
changing
of
into
electrodes.
yes, it is the branch of chemistry known as electrochemistry. That means electro means what? Electrical. Chemistry, chemo means what? Chemical. So electrochemistry. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the basic idea in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes. So write down your note. First heading electrochemistry. Electrochemistry.
Yes.
So write down electrochemistry means what? It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you hear about electrochemical cells?
Uh, yeah.
Yes. What is electrochemical cells?
Uh, Electrochemical cells.
It is a device, right?
Yeah.
It's a device which convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes. So an electrochemical cell is a device which convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Clear?
Clear.
Yes. So now let's discuss about component of electrochemical cells. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know about components of electrochemical cells?
No.
No. Do you heard about anode, cathode, salt bridge, electrolyte like that?
Yes, I heard about anode, cathode, and electrolyte.
Yes. So let me share my screen and show you how electrochemical cells. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Are you comfortable? Do you able to understand?
Yeah.
So look at this. This is okay. Here it is anode. It is cathode. These two are connected with a salt bridge. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And okay. Clear?
Can you repeat it, please?
Yes, yes. This is the basic components of electrochemical style. Look at this. This is a beaker. So I'm showing with an experimental form. Okay. So you
Okay.
can easily understand. This is a beaker. It's having an anode and a cathode. Okay.
Yeah.
It's salt bridge and
Sorry.
it is electrolyte. Solution. Okay. Here
Okay.
it is a solution. It is known as its electrolyte. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear?
Clear.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now it's having a very important rule. We have to remember the important rule. Anode means oxidation. Okay.
Yeah.
Anode means oxidation, and